You want to talk about things or people that are close to you or nearby in Azerbaijani? Then this word is for you. In Master Azerbaijani words today, we have YAXIN. YAXIN. YAXIN is near, close, or nearby. Let's use those in some phrases. Near the station, close friend, nearby shops. Let's see what they mean in Azerbaijani. Stansiyaya YAXIN. Stansiya is a loan word from Russian. Stansiyaya, to the station, close to the station, that is near the station. Yaxın dost, close friend, straightforward. Yaxınlıktaki dükanlar. Dükan is a small shops. Dükanlar, dükan, shop, dükanlar, shops. Yaxınlıktaki, nearby, the shops that are nearby. Daki is the location suffix. Yaxınlıktaki dükanlar. Now, time to use them in some sentences. Evə yaxın bir park var. Biz uşaqları hər gün ora aparırıq. There's a park close to the house. We take the kids there every day. Now let's break it down a bit. Evə yaxın, close to the house. Ev is house. Bir park var, there is a park. Bir is number or a. Biz, we, uşaqları, the kids, uşaq, child, uşaqlar, kids, uşaqları, the kids. Hər gün, every day, ora aparırıq, take there. Let's use another sentence. O, mənim ən yaxın dostumdur. He or she is my closest or best friend. Let's see. O, we already know. This is in Azerbaijani, can signify he or she, doesn't matter, or even it. In this case, we can have either one. Mənim, my, ən yaxın, closest. Remember, comparative superlatives, daha yaxın, closer, ən yaxın, closest. Dostum, dost is a friend. Dostum, my friend. Dostumdur is my friend. All right? That was my way of using Azerbaijani word yaxin in similarly Azerbaijani phrases and sentences. I have another way of retaining the word. Let's see what I have for today. The deadline is yaxin. My progress is not. All right? That was today's word yaxin. Make sure to come back tomorrow for a brand new word. Until then, I write every 10 days in masterazerbaijani.com to show you how much easier, faster, and fun ways of learning Azerbaijani you can explore. Make sure to check that out as well. Cheers.